Hey guys, welcome to J-Rock Yoga. I'm Jess, and by the end of this video today, you're going to learn how to properly practice Crescent Lunge or High Lunge in your yoga practice. Let's get started. So come to the top of your mat. We're going to start in your Utthita Ashwa, grounding down through all four corners of both feet. And we're just going to take your left foot and step it back about 3 feet or so. So contrary to Warrior One, where our heel is down, in Crescent, we have more of a balancing action. So we're going to really root down into the back ball mound of our foot. Right knee is directly above your right ankle, and right knee isn't knocking in, it's pulling out towards your right baby toe, so you can feel a little bit of openness in the inner thigh. And then right to start here, what I like to do is, because all of a sudden you notice how I step back and my belly is kind of out, my back is rounded, we're going to take a gentle bend in the back knee. And we do this so that we could angle the tailbone. We're not tucking the tailbone, we're just gently drawing it down and pulling the low ribs in so we can cinch the waist. We have more stability through the core. And once we keep and have that stability, we can pull the back heel back toward the back of the mat and lengthen, right? But we're not putting it in the low back anymore. Then as you inhale, sweep your arms straight up over your head. You can adjust this however you want. You can come a little bit deeper. You can come out a little bit. What I really like to do in these postures is imagine that my front right heel is trying to draw itself towards my back left big toe. So you want to feel this really pulling, magnetizing sensation, and then energy hugs muscle to skin to bone, pulling inward and shooting up out of the fingertips. This is your Crescent Lunge. So that's your Crescent Lunge. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it helped you answer some questions about how to get into the pose. If you liked it, please like it below. Leave me a comment on what you liked about it or what you'd like to see next from me. If you'd like to follow me, you can subscribe to me here on YouTube. Otherwise, you can follow me on Instagram at jrockyoga, and my website is jrockyoga.com. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.